Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In this video, we will see how to find first and follow of a given grammar. Already, I have shared a post for finding first and follow for a given grammar. I will share that link in description box. Here, I have written procedure to find first. Also, I have written procedure to find follow of a grammar. And also, I have given some examples. In this video, we will demonstrate how to find out first and follow for the given grammar for given example. Here I have taken some examples. So we will find out first and follow for these examples. So basically first we find out for the non-terminals. These are the non-terminals. Non-terminal means which can be evaluated or expanded further, while these are the terminals, that is the final symbol. So first and follow we find out for the non-terminals. It is a collection or it is a set of terminals. So first we find out for non-terminal, and it is a collection or set of terminals. In the same way, follow we find out for non-terminal, and it is a collection or set of terminals. We will find out first, then we will find out follow. So as the name indicates, first means when we expand any non-terminal, so by what terminal it gets started. For example, when we expand S, it starts with a small x or small a. When we expand B, it starts with small c, here also small c. When we expand C, it starts with small e or small d. So first of S is X. Again, when you expand S, we get small a. When we expand B, it starts with small c. Again, when we expand capital B, so we get small c. So small c already we have written. So again for C, when you expand it, it starts with E. So E. When you expand C, it starts with D. So D. Afterwards, we will find out follow for this grammar. Now consider this example. So for finding first of S, so it starts with capital A. But capital A means what? Small a. If we put small a here, so it will start with small a. So here it will be small a. Now we can also put epsilon for capital A. So if you put epsilon here, so it will get removed. Now this will start with capital B, but capital B means what? Small b. So it will become small b. Again for capital B, we can put epsilon. So if you put epsilon there, again it will get removed. Now it will start with small c. So it will become, actually it is a capital C, so C can be replaced by small c. Now there is no epsilon here, so it will start only with C. So first for S will be A, B, C. Now first for A, it will start with small a, so here it will be small a. Again for A, we can put epsilon, so here will be the epsilon. Again for capital B, so first will be small b, and again there is epsilon. For capital C, so first for capital C will be small c. Again for capital D, first will be small d, epsilon. For capital E, small e and epsilon. Small e and epsilon. Now we will find out first for this example. So first for S, so it start with capital A, but capital A means what? Epsilon. So if you put epsilon here, it will get removed. Now it will start with capital B, but capital B means what? Epsilon. So again if you put epsilon there, so epsilons both get removed, so it become epsilon. So first of S will be epsilon. Now A, it starts with epsilon, so epsilon means nothing. For B, again it is epsilon. So it will become epsilon. Now we'll find out first for this example. So S starts with capital B, but capital B means what? Small a. You can put for capital B, you can put this thing. So if you put this for this, so it will start with small a. So first of S will be small a. Again for B, you can put epsilon. So if you put epsilon there, it will get removed. So it will start with B. So B. Now again there is another option CD, capital CD. For C we can put this small c and capital C. So if you put the small c and capital C here, so it will become small c. Then if you can put epsilon for this capital C. So if you put epsilon there, so it will get removed. So there will be D. So it will become D. Now first for B it starts with A. So it is A. And is again there is epsilon, so here it will be epsilon. Again for C, small c and epsilon. Now this is the simplest example. So first of S will be round bracket, it is a terminal, so round bracket and epsilon, so epsilon. Now we will find out follow for this grammar. One thing is important. For finding first, we look at the left hand side, but for finding follow, we look at right hand side. So first means how it will get started. Now for finding follow, we will see what is followed by that terminal. So see, for S, one thing is important. For every input, suppose your input is something like this ABC, we assume that it get end with symbol dollar. Now whatever the symbol, whatever is the input symbol, whatever is the string, it gets generated from the start symbol. So what symbol is following capital S? Here is a dollar. So for any start symbol, there will be dollar. Now see S, so nowhere is the S, so that will be the only follow for capital S. Now for capital B. So where is the capital B? We have to look at right hand side. So where is capital B? Here. So who is following capital B? Capital C. But capital C means what? Capital C means this or this. So if you put EG here, so who is following B? E. If you put DF here, so who is following B? D. So D. In the same way, we will find out follow for C. So nowhere is a B. Now we will find out follow for C. So where is the C? Here. So who is following C? There is nothing. But this completely is generated from the S. So whoever is following the S, that will follow capital C. So what is the follow of capital S? Dollar. So here it will be dollar. Now again, where is the capital C? Nowhere. Now we will find out follow for this example. So as I told before, for any start symbol, dollar is the follow. Now look at the example. We have to look at right hand side. So nowhere there is S. So dollar will be the only follow terminal. Now we will find out follow for A. So where is A? Here. So who is following capital A? Capital B. But B means what? Small b and epsilon. So we can put B here. So is following A? Small b. Now for capital B, we can also put epsilon. So if you put epsilon there, it will get removed. Now who is following capital A? Capital C. But capital C means what? Small c. So small c will follow capital A. So that's why here will be small c. Now there is no epsilon here. So this will be the follow of capital A. Now we'll see follow up for B. So remove this. Who is follow capital B? Capital C. But capital C means what? Small c. So that's why follow of capital B will be small c. Again there is no epsilon here, so that is the only option. Now who is following capital C? Capital D. But capital D means what? Small d. So follow up this will be small d. Also for capital D we can put epsilon. So if you put epsilon there, it will get removed. Now who is following capital C? Capital E. But capital E means what? Small e and this. So if you put this E there, so who is following capital C? Small e. So here it will be. Now if you put epsilon there, again this will get removed. So now capital C, it is not following, no one is following capital C. This is also removed, this is also removed. But this completely is formed from the this. So actually it will become this A, B, C, and both are removed. Now who is following C? Nothing. So whoever is following capital S, that will follow capital C. So what is the follow of capital S? Dollar. So it will become dollar. Now we'll see for D. Who is following capital D? Capital E. But capital E means what? Small e and this. So who is following capital D? Small e. Now if you put epsilon here, so it's following capital D? Nothing. So it will become like this. S, A, B, C, D. E we have removed because we have put epsilon for capital E. Who is following capital D? Nothing. But this is generated from this. Who is following S? That will also follow capital D. So who is following capital S? Dollar. So it will become dollar. Now E. Who is following E? Nothing. When nothing is following, so but this is generated from S. So where is following S? That will be followed by E. So that is following E. So follow of S is dollar. So again it will become dollar. Now we will find out follow for this example. So as I told before, for any start symbol, dollar is the first follow. Now there is no S on right hand side, so that will be the only terminal which is following capital S. Now for A, where is A? Here. So who is following capital A? Capital B. But capital B means what? Epsilon. So if you put epsilon there, it will get removed. So it will become like this. Now who is following A? No one. So where is following capital S? That will follow capital A. So who is following capital S? Dollar. So it will become dollar. Now there is no more capital A on the right hand side. Now we will find out follow for capital B. So where is capital B? Here. Who is following capital B? Nothing. But this is generated from this. So whoever is following capital S, that will also follow capital B. So what is the follow of capital S? Dollar. So again it will become dollar here. Now we will find out follow for this example. So again S is a start symbol. So first terminal who is following S is dollar. Now there is no more S on right hand side. So that will be the only terminal following S. Now for B. So where is capital B? Here. So who is following capital B? Small b. So small b. Again where is the capital B? This. So who is following capital B? No one. But this is generated from this. So who is following capital B? This will follow this. But again B, it is the same. So ignore it. Again there is no capital B here on right hand side. So only B will be following capital B. Now we will find out for C. Where is capital C? Here. So who is following capital C? Small d. So it will become small d. Again where is capital C? Here. Who is following capital C? Nothing. But again this is generated from this. But again this capital C both are the same, so ignore it. So this will be the follow for this. Now this is a simple example. So S is a start symbol, so there will be dollar. Now who is following S? Closing bracket. So closing bracket. So there is no more non-terminal, so that will be the final example. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notifications of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.